Hi guys, happy Monday. We are going to start a new kind of mini unit this week with text structures, okay? This is our first day. This is one of the most important things that we learn all year long. We're going to kind of take it slow. Today is going to be pretty simple, but tomorrow we start building upon this knowledge. So just be ready. I want to show you, we did make some guided notes for you guys to use if you wanted to. So I'm going to show you how to access those. These will really help you on your show-its and just further down as we work throughout the year. Okay, so I want to show you where to find those. So you're going to get on your Buzz app. I'm just going to click first period ELA to show you guys. I know whatever class you're in, choose that one. You're going to scroll down to the week 5 folder, open Monday. There is a little website link. It says text structure notes. Click here for your copy. You're going to open that, and then you're going to click that blue text structure. It will do a force copy for you. So you will just click make a copy, and then this, you'll have to be signed into your school Gmail account or a Gmail account in general, and then you will be able to make a copy. So what you'll be able to do is today we are going to go over descriptive, text structure. So you'll be able to click here and fill this in, click here and fill this in, click here, examples, all right? So you'll be able to follow along. Tomorrow we'll add compare and contrast. Thursday we'll add order and sequence. Friday we'll add problem and solution. And next Monday we will add cause and effect. So you'll be ready to take notes right on here, and then you'll have this to keep, okay? So you can use these notes just as we kind of go along, all right? Today you'll just fill out the description one, okay? So let's just head back to our presentation. All right. So what are text structures? Text structures are different ways that we organize nonfiction writing. All right, so they're just a different way that our texts are going to be organized. Texts. We're going to go over 5 different ways. We're going to start off pretty easy with description, okay? So the nonfiction text structures that we will go over, though, description today, then we'll get into compare and contrast, order and sequence, which we've already talked about this year, problem and solution, and then cause and effect. So let's talk about description. What is it, okay? This is where an author is going to provide a lot of details about something. They're really going to describe something, so then the reader gets a mental picture, okay? Some clues that we're going to look for, all right? A lot of adjectives, okay? Also a lot of characteristics or examples. We are going to have a graphic organizer for every single text structure, okay? For this one, it's going to be the web. You can pause here and go fill out those guided notes, okay, that I showed you how to access now, right? And then I'm going to show you how to use a web. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have this text here. It's a nonfiction text, and it is organized as a description, okay? I'm going to read it to you, then I'm going to show you how to fill out the web. Labrador Retrievers are a popular breed of dogs because of their even temperament and desire to please, okay? They're human owners. Labrador Retrievers can be yellow, brown, or black. They are medium to large dogs with an average weight of 65 pounds. Labrador Retrievers are often trained to be aids for people with disabilities. According to the American Kennel Club, Labrador Retrievers are the most popular breed of dog in the United States, okay? So you're going to look there and you're going to find the different details, okay? Think about how they're described. You might want to jot down some notes, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to use this graphic organizer here to map out those different details. So in the center is always going to go what we're talking about, okay? I'm just going to put labs here. Labrador Retrievers are often referred to as labs, and it's shorter. You know, it takes me a long time to write with this. Then I'm just going to think about those details, okay? So I remember they said they were an average of 65 pounds, all right? I'm just going to write these different details. They could be yellow, brown, ooh, woof, brown, black. They have an even temperament, which means they are they don't freak out a lot, okay? So I'm just going to fill these different bubbles with those different characteristics. They're medium to large. They have a desire to please, I remember being said. They can be used to, as an aid. I'm just going to write an aid. Okay, see how I just took those different details from the text and I put them right in this web. That's what you guys are going to do, okay? So now I want you to think about this. If you had to write a description text about yourself, what would you write about? What would you put in your web? So if we wrote Mrs. Nugent here, what will we put? Okay, I'm 29 years old. I have brown hair. I'm married. I'm a teacher. I live in Pataskala. These are all things that can be used to describe me. What would you put in yours? Think about it, okay? All right, now I want you to pause. I want you to read this text and then draw a web on a paper. And I want you to practice filling it out, okay? Go ahead and pause here and do that. All right, next you guys are gonna go ahead and complete your Show It on Buzz. I'm gonna go over a little bit of that now, so prepare yourselves, okay? You might wanna pause and open that. All right, let me go back to it. Here's my Show It here. Description Show It is what it's called. All right, text structures are different ways that blank writing can be organized. Is it fiction or nonfiction? We said nonfiction, that's that real stuff, not made up. Which visual graphic organizer can be used for descriptive writing? Which one of these did we use? Okay, this one looks familiar, a web, right? In descriptive writing, the author provides several blanks of something that give a reader a mental picture. Let's go back to that presentation. I just want to put that back on here. The author provides several. That's all I'm going to tell you. That's all I'm going to help with. All right. Then you're going to look for the topic of this paragraph. Just think, what is it all about? Okay. One descriptive detail. Okay. I want you to give one descriptive detail. Remember, we talked about the difference between a main idea and a detail a couple of weeks ago. Think about it. What detail? Okay. In this paragraph one descriptive detail in this paragraph is that the beach has cool and fresh water. You may not use that example, okay? Give me another detail, okay, about the beach down here. What clues should you look for in description text structure, okay? Is it that the events are in the order that they happened, a problem is being solved, one thing happened after another thing happened, or are you looking for many adjectives or examples? Many adjectives or examples for sure. What word is an adjective in the following sentence? Remember, that's a descriptive word. Which one of these would be descriptive? All right. All right, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we will build on this with compare and contrast. If you have any questions, please let me know.